them. After making movie, they were running on the street, asking to auto. Guys, it's so freaking frustrating. There is only one motherfucker job which can make you rich, which can get you famous, which can get you respected, despite of what you're doing, despite of what your actual behavior is. So to know what that job is, continue watching this video. But before that, just subscribe my channel, like my video, and please make sure to watch the video by the end. Please. Yes guys, as you have seen the thumbnail, that how to find the job which can make you rich, which can get you respected and famous at once. So before we will start the topic, I need to talk to you about Bollywood. What is Bollywood? Like 10 years back, 15 years back, this is the job, this was that kind of job. If you were supposed to do, if you wanted to do, parents would have mocked you out, or our society wasn't respecting that. Once I remember that in starting, when this Karisma Kapoor, she had made one song, her neighbor had burned her home, something like that had happened. So all I'm trying to say, before this acting job wasn't that respected, wasn't that serious, people wasn't paying that attention, or people wasn't running after them. After making movie, they were running on the street, asking to auto driver to promote their movie, all this thing, But I don't know, all of a sudden how this thing happened, that now this is the only one job. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That's the only reason I decided to make this video. In this day, acting is the only one motherfucker job which can get you respected, which can get you famous, which can make you rich, and people will respect you. It's so freaking frustrating that no matter what you are, you don't have to be kind, you don't have to help someone, you don't have to be, you can be terrorist, you can be murderer, you can be anything what you want, but as long as you are an actor, people will respect you, people will run after you to take your autograph. It's so freaking frustrating. All these actors, they had done some diploma, they have done engineering, they have done doctorate, but even despite of doing all those, they come in acting because they know this thing. Because in India, you won't get respected if you're a doctor, you won't get respected if you are doing good thing, you are doing charity, you don't have to do anything. Like as you can see, I'm not gonna take one particular name what they do, like some actors, like they have a name in their, they ran over on someone, they killed somebody, or they killed animal, or like Sanjay Dutt, okay, his name was convicted or related with terrorist, but everything is nothing when you are actor. You don't have to be good person to make people like you. You just have to be actor. As long as you are an actor, people will like you. So we have to, this is the only one job which can get you respected despite of what you are. Means in other field, you can give your ass off, so much hard effort, but still people won't respect you. People won't recognize or appreciate your work. You don't understand who give them right to be motivational speaker after making one movie. Means you are a fucked up person and you have really no idea of what to do, and how to do anything. But as long as you are an actor, so you made one movie, now you can be motivational speaker. Means being actor is being successful just has to do with being actor. Means you become actor and now you have power, now you have intelligence, or you have right to give advice to everyone that how to be successful. Means can we not be successful in our field, in the thing we wanna do? Do we just have to be actor to be motivational speaker, to be recognized like we have really achieved something? There are so many rich people in India, so many successful people in India, so many good people who do good thing, but we just remember actors because this is the only one field which is respected now these days. I don't really understand what's going on. Means 10 years back, 15 years back, this job was so casted out. This job was so insulted, people weren't trying to do. But these days, even you are not actors, your hobby is not in doing acting. These days, parents are forcing their kid to be in this line. Even though kids, they don't have interest in being actor or in acting, parents are forcing their kids to be actor because parents understood there is easy money. You earn money very fast, you get respected very fast, and people recognize you. So this is why I can be not do some other work and still be respected, still be recognized, still be appreciated. This is the only one job left in India which can make us that we are successful. Is this really necessary? Do you not see that how many time media shows us that these Bollywood actors, okay, how they behave with their fan or medias. Some of them have even slapped their fan, but still fans are running after them. Why? Just because they have done movie. Means you must understand, making movie or being actor is a part of living. Means they are just doing something. We need to understand that being actor is exactly like a being lawyer, being doctor, being engineer. It's just a profession. They do it, they get money. We don't have to run after them like means I see so many people really do suicide for them. Is this necessary? Are they God? Don't make them feel, we are the one who make them feel like they are a god, they are invincible, they are superstar, and that is why they insult us, So all I'm trying to say, no matter what you're doing, okay, means whatever field you are in, just try to be great in your field, First, we need to change the meaning of what is success mean to us. But if you're really looking for shortcut, then this is the only one motherfucker job which can get you respected, famous, make you rich so fast. The real frustrating part in this is like you are having drugs, you are a bad person, you are killing someone, you are killing animal, or you keep illegal weapon in your home, or you have a link with mafia or don, or you are making porn. No matter what you do, but as long as you are an actor, you shows up in TV. So you are good, everything is good, people will respect you. Is this really necessary? You have to be good in your heart, You gotta be good person to be respected. Have you ever got question in your mind that why these actors, first they completed their graduation, then they became engineering like Sushant Singh, he was an engineer. Or like Tushar Kapoor, he had done maybe doctor degree or whatever. Why these actors, before being actor, they were chasing some degree. They understood that being doctor, being engineer, being good person, helping someone won't get them famous. This is the only one fucking job which can make you rich, which can get you respected, which can get you famous in very short time. Once you are showing up in TV, then you are a successful person. People will see you like, oh, you have really achieved something in life. At least what success mean to everyone these days. Do you know now these days people have one mindset of being successful. Means if you came on TV, people will think that you are successful. Even though you are a broke, but if you come on TV, that means you are a rich. And it's so freaking confusing, it's so freaking confusing. So I hope you're gonna follow your dream, what dream you have, not just because your parents want you to be actor, or not just because you see benefit in other profession, even though you have no interest in that. So just follow your dreams. We really need to change the meaning of success these days, because being on TV is not success. Getting what you want, this is what success should mean to everyone. Not just because being on TV, success. Being on TV, you made movie, okay, now you are successful. It doesn't make any sense to me. How can you be success? Means thousands of people, billion of people. Rakhi Sawant, is she successful? She is the most disrespected person in the world. All I'm trying to say that being on TV is not enough. Getting your dream, whatever dream you have, just get your dream. That is what success should mean to everyone.